matrix by adjoint method, A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. A inverse exists if determinant of A is 0, that is matrix is non-singular. Here adjoint of A is equal to transpose of cofactor matrix. Here cofactor element denoted by capital Aij and given matrix element denoted by small aij. How to find capital Aij? Formula -1 raised to I plus j into minor of Aij into minor of Aij. So by this formula we can find capital Aij. Okay. Cofactor matrix whose component A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Okay, to find these elements of 3 by 3 order matrix if here A is 3 by 3 order. Okay, A is 3 by 3 order. Now take example. Find A inverse by adjoint method. Find A inverse by adjoint method where A is equal to 2, 1, 3, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Formula we know A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of matrix A Here determinant of A 2, 1, 3, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Select first row element. Here 2, 1, 3. Select first row element with positive, negative, positive into minor of 2. Minor of 2 means neglect row and column in which 2 occur. जिसमें 2 है वो रो और कॉलम कैंसल. Now here 1, 2, 2, 3. This is minor of 2. Now minor of 1 cancel row, column in which 1 occur. So 3, 2, 1, 3. So this is minor of 1. So 3, 2, 1, 3. 3, 2, 1, 3. Minor of 3 cancel row and column in which 3 occur. So 3, 1, 1, 2. 3, 1, 1, 2. 2 into 3 minus 4, 9 minus 7, and 3, 6 minus 1. Addition, total is 6. Determinant of A not equal to 0. Hence, inverse exists. A11, positive answer into minor. A12 सफिक्स एडिशन ऑड नंबर है तो माइनस इंटू माइनर. A13 सफिक्स एडिशन ताकि फॉर्मूला कैपिटल AIJ इज इक्वल टू -1 रेज़ टू I प्लस J इंटू माइनर. माइनर ऑफ दिस एलिमेंट तो -1 रेज़ टू I प्लस J एडिशन ऑफ दिस सफिक्स इवन नंबर है तो पॉजिटिव आंसर इंटू माइनर. ओके, हियर सेकंड रो फर्स्ट कॉलम 2 1 माइनस रेज़ टू 2 1 मतलब दिस आंसर नेगेटिव इंटू माइनर. सेकंड रो सेकंड कॉलम सफिक्स एडिशन प्लस इवन नंबर पॉजिटिव. सेकंड रो थर्ड कॉलम नेगेटिव. नेक्स्ट थर्ड रो फर्स्ट कॉलम सफिक्स एडिशन इवन नंबर प्लस थर्ड रो सेकंड कॉलम नेगेटिव आंसर. थर्ड रो थर्ड कॉलम दिस पॉजिटिव आंसर into minor. तो by this formula now minor of A11 cancel first row and first column 1 2 1 2 2 3. तो 1 2 2 3 cancel first row second column cancel row 1 column 2. row 1 cancel column 2 cancel. Remaining element write in subdeterminant. Here 3 2 1 3. तो 3 2 1 3. Minor of A13 cancel first row third column. First row third column 3 1 1 2 3 1 1 2. Here suffix addition even number तो प्लस आंसर एंड सफिक्स एडिशन ऑड नंबर है तो माइनस. हियर कैंसल रो सेकंड कॉलम फर्स्ट. कैंसल रो सेकंड कॉलम फर्स्ट. रिमेन 1 3 2 3 1 3 2 3. कैंसल 1 3 2 3. कैंसल सेकंड रो and second column तो remain 2 3 1 3. तो cancel second row and second column 2 3 1 3 2 3 1 3. suffix addition odd number negative answer. cancel second row third column. cancel second row थर्ड कॉलम तो 2 1 1 2 2 1 1 2. कैंसल थर्ड रो फर्स्ट कॉलम. रो थर्ड कैंसल कॉलम फर्स्ट कैंसल 1 3 1 2 1 3 1 2. कैंसल थर्ड रो सेकंड कॉलम. कैंसल थर्ड रो सेकंड कॉलम मतलब 2 3 3 2 2 3 3 2. कैंसल तो 2 3 3 2. A33 कैपिटल AIJ A33 I is 3 J is 3 addition 6 -1 raised to 6 plus answer. cancel third row third column. This third column and third row cancel 2 1 3 1. So 2 1 3 1. So by this way we are finding cofactor element using this formula. Here answer by formula determinant A B C D the product of A into D minus B into C. By rule, this answer 3 minus 4 minus 1. This answer is minus 1. Answer 9 A into D AD, product 9 minus B into C 2. So 9 minus 2 7 and minus, so minus 7. 6 A into D 3 into 2 6 minus B into C 1. So answer plus 5. Next, here 3 minus 6. Take first product AD. तो 3 minus B into C, यानी कि 3 minus, take product 3 minus 6. तो minus 3 answer और ये plus 3. 6 minus 3 3. 4 minus 1 3 and this minus sign, तो minus 3. 2 minus 3 minus 1. This answer, now this answer is 4 minus 9 minus 5 or this minus plus 5. Next, 2 minus 3 minus 1. Hence, cofactor matrix is equal to A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Your cofactor matrix, okay. तो आंसर -1 -7 5 3 3 -3 -1 5 -1. This is cofactor matrix. Now find adjoint of A. Find adjoint of A. Adjoint of A is equal to transpose of cofactor matrix. Transpose of cofactor matrix. In transpose, write first row -1 7 5 in first column. So row convert in column. This is called transpose. Then 3 3 minus 3 3 3 minus 3 second row write in second column -1 5 -1. Okay, so this is adjoint of matrix. And hence by definition of inverse, A inverse 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. Determinant already we got 6. Okay, determinant we got 6 into adjoint of A -1 3 -1 -7 3 5 5 -3 -1. This is inverse of given matrix. Now find inverse if A is equal to given 3 by 3 order matrix. Your formula: A inverse 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. Here determinant of A is equal to 4, 5, 2, 1, 0, 5, 2, 3, 1. How to evaluate 3 by 3 order determinant? Select first row element, here 4, 5 and 2. Take alternate positive, negative and positive sign into minor of 4. Minor of 4 cancel row column, remaining element right here. Then into minor, minor of 5. माइनर ऑफ 5 का मतलब जिसमें 5 है वो रो कैंसिल करो, कॉलम कैंसिल करो, रिमेनिंग एलिमेंट राइट इन डिटर्मिनेंट. तो 1 5 2 1, 1 5 2 1, माइनर ऑफ 2. तो टेक फर्स्ट रो एलिमेंट विथ अल्टरनेट साइन. नाउ माइनर ऑफ 2, माइनर ऑफ 2, here cancel row and column in which 2 occur. So 1 0 2 1 0 and 2 3, 1 0 2 3 4. This AD minus BC minus 15 minus 5 and this is minus 9, 2 into 3 addition minus 9. Here how to evaluate determinant A, B, C, D? तो product of A into D यानी कि this product first minus subdiagonal. By this rule we got value of determinant 2 by 2 order. And how to evaluate 3 by 3 order? Take first row element with alternate plus minus into attach minor. How to find minor मतलब सब डिटर्मिनेंट. माइनर ऑफ 4 चाहिए तो जिसमें 4 है वो रो कैंसल, कॉलम कैंसल. माइनर ऑफ 5 के लिए जिसमें 5 है वो रो कैंसल, कॉलम कैंसल, राइट रिमेनिंग एलिमेंट हियर. नाउ वी गॉट डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ ए. नाउ हियर डिटर्मिनेंट -9 मतलब नॉन जीरो, मीन्स इनवर्स एग्जिस्ट. गिवन मैट्रिक्स इज नॉन सिंगुलर. नाउ फाइंड कोफैक्टर मैट्रिक्स, कोफैक्टर एलिमेंट A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A32, A31, A32, A33. Suffix addition, suffix addition 2, suffix addition 1 plus 1 2 positive answer, 1 plus 2 3 negative answer, positive answer. suffix addition 1 plus 3 4 है. दिस एडिशन इवन नंबर है तो प्लस, ऑड है तो माइनस. तो दिस इज प्लस माइनस प्लस addition 5, odd number minus and plus. This is cofactor element. A11 cancel first row, first column, cancel 4 5 2 1 0 5 2 3 1, cancel first row, first column, remaining element determinant. इसका determinant by formula AD minus BC, 0 into 1 0 minus 15. तो total answer minus 15 here, minus 15 here. Then 4 5 2 1 0 5 2 1 2 3 1. Now cancel first row, cancel second column of determinant AD minus BC. 1 into 1 1 minus 10. So answer is minus 9. Cancel here 4 5 2 1 0 5 2 3 1. Cancel row number first column number third. Now determinant 3 minus 0, so answer plus 3. Here second row, first column, cancel second row, first column, cancel second row, column first, so remain 5 minus 6, 5 minus 6 minus 1, cancel second row, cancel second row and second column, remain 2, 4, 2, 2, 1, product 4 minus 4, this is 0, cancel second row and third column, second row cancel, third column cancel, 12 minus 10, by this formula 12 minus 10, 2. Next, cancel third row and column 1, third row, this is matrix A, cancel third row, column first, product 25 minus 0, so 25, cancel third row, second column, 20 minus 2, this is 18, cancel third row and third column, तो 0 and 5 यानी कि minus 5, this is cofactor element and hence cofactor matrix is equal to minus 15 plus 9 3 1 0 minus 2 25 minus 18 minus 5. Adjoint of A is transpose of cofactor matrix. First row write in first column, second row write in second column, third row write in third column, and hence by inverse formula determinant we got minus 9 and adjoint of A this. Hence A inverse is equal to minus 1 by 9 into adjoint of A minus 15 1 25 9 0 minus 15 minus 18 3 minus 2 minus 5. By this way we are finding inverse of 1000 examples. Thank you. Okay, so by this way we are finding inverse this matrix.